so glad I remembered to say this. This is part 8, May 21st. I will say this. The clearer the urine, meaning pretty much basically the more hydrated you are, so if you drink a ton of water, your urine's going to be really clear, and it's going to look like just water. Now, if you age that, it won't really have a lot of ormus in it. But if you take urine like right after you wake up and pee, and it's like kind of cloudy, like that stuff was going to create a lot of ormus. You know, there's a lot of nutrients in there, and really that's what you want. So it's a food system. I mean, if you want to like reconsume your fresh urine, that's the best, is to drink really clear. But if you want nutrient dense stuff, you kind of just have to drink that, you know, stuff that came out of your body kind of like right after you woke up, and you can kind of tell the difference. It's cool. But yeah, so I just kind of noticed that I really wanted to, for some reason, make sure I documented that. I found this too. So say like you don't drink a lot of liquids and you're kind of dehydrated, your urine will actually be really dark, almost like aged, and it'll be extremely like salty. So in a sense, like you can become concentrated, and you can tell, I guess, by your urine. Also, has anybody else noticed that if you eat a ton of sugar, like if you take like 3 tablespoons of sugar or honey, and because of my age, urine is like really salty, like just, I guess that's what you reckon. It seems like if you take either or, if I drink a lot of salt, I have to eat a lot of sugar. It's just like, that's the balance of either or. Very interesting. I've noticed that. I did notice that when I would eat a lot of watermelon back last season. Eat a lot of watermelon, I'd mix it with salt, and then I wouldn't get the weird feeling of being, that watermelon can give you, that like, whoa, you know, that stomach just like, so that's the balance. And it's like the whole thing in life is just balancing the thing in your stomach and your second brain, you know. So another thing to mention, almost like the less you consume, the more energy. The less your body has to do to break down food systems. 3 meals a day takes up probably extreme amount of energy to do all that, when you can actually just nourish your body, give it what it needs, have extra energy to do other things. That's kind of my theory. Sometimes we just eat for overindulgence just because we can and we're bored, but our bodies don't really require that much, and hopefully I get to the point where I'm just surviving off of chi and prana. But it takes a big step, and I don't know if I'm ready for that.